Are you ready to transform your photos into captivating Instagram Reels? Ready to amaze your followers? Let's craft stunning Reels from your photos. Discover the art of visual storytelling as we guide you through the creation of stunning Reels using your favorite pictures. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create eye-catching Instagram Reels using just your pictures. It's going to be fun, creative, and incredibly engaging. So let's start. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Now, tap on the Reels option at the bottom of the screen. Tap the camera roll icon and select the images you want to include in your reel. Edit your pictures. Get creative. Instagram offers a variety of editing tools to enhance your pictures. You can adjust brightness, contrast, add filters, and more. Arrange and time your pictures. You can set the duration for each image to control the pace of your video. Add music. Elevate your reel with music. Tap on the music icon and you can select a song from Instagram's library that fits your theme. Caption and hashtags. Craft an engaging caption that complements your reel. Don't forget to add relevant hashtags to help your content reach a broader audience. Share your Instagram reel. Finally, review your reel. Make any last-minute adjustments, and when you're satisfied, hit the share button. You can choose to share it on your Reels feed or to your story. You've now learned how to create Instagram Reels using pictures. It's a fantastic way to share your experiences and stories. So, grab your favorite photos, add some music, and start sharing your Reels with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to follow for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video.